I just found some soil in my yard where I didn't have any wood chips. This is what my soil used to look like. Now look at that worm stuck in there. This is a ball of clay. This is what I used to try to grow in. I found it in an area where there was no wood chips nearby anywhere. And look, and it feels like I'm trying to make clay with it. Look at it. This is a worm that was stuck in there. He's cold, and I don't know. I'm glad my soil's much better. Put this worm in some better soil. I think I want to take some of these in the house and eat them today. My goodness. Let me get out of the light here. Look at that. These are beautiful. I think they're... Some of you people out there know how to cook these. You know what they taste like. But these were grown in pure, great soil. That is really good stuff. This is good stuff. Wintertime, this is not the prettiest to see this plant. These are my red raspberries. I don't know what kind they are. Don't ask me, please. I don't know. But I bought them at Walmart. I can find out if you need to know. But these are grown in wood chips, and some of them are moving out into the aisle. That's what they do. And let me show you what I got here. This is a plant. I just pulled it from the ground. I'm going to put it about 3 feet from that main plant there, and it'll actually spring up. And here's another one. See, the soil, the roots are intact, everything. I broke it off, but it's not going to hurt it. It's got the little, see the little buds there. It's got 3 of them on there, so it should be fine. I'm gonna put them in the ground. These are 2 here. I just put in the ground. That's number 1. And this in here is number 2. They were free plants. I mean, I couldn't help myself. So you put them into the ground, and once you get them in there, they produce your next year crop. And then once they really fill out and start sending their own shoots out, you got more raspberries, and you know what to do with. I'm in here checking my worm bins, and this one here, you're looking at it saying this is dry. Well, it is on top. I don't baby these worms. I threw some tomatoes in there in a corner like everybody's suggesting on the internet. Put it in one corner. It makes sense to me. And put them in the corner so they can come up and feed there. I'm not cutting it. I'm not blending it up. None of that stuff. That's too much. Then this one here, this has 1 piece of squash over in the corner. And you can see it's nice and moist. And it's got even got sticks in there because whatever's in the compost that I got, that's what goes in there. I can remove them later. Whatever they don't eat, I can remove it later. But I'm not all that fussy about the worms. Now, these are my new beds. You won't see any worms in here because see, this one kind of stinky though. This one is because of the eggshells, but it's going to serve a purpose. It's going to serve a purpose. This one over here, up in the corner. See where I put the little pieces of apple and tomatoes. And the leaves. This one has 6, 7 worms in it. I want to see how quick it takes them to populate this bin. This one here got a couple of apples and 2 tomatoes over in the corner. That's how you do it. Now, I'm gonna close all these up. I'm just checking the moisture level on them, and that looks good. The worms seem to be happy, and that makes me happy. Later.